All right, this is going to be a quick, just 10-minute video going over the second credit card problem. So we're going to start with part 1A, which is how you go about finding your average daily balance. So the first thing you need to do is understand how many days are actually in your cycle. So you'll notice down here that we have 30 days. So what I need to do is account for all 30 days. So my statement started on 4/25, and the first purchase, you'll notice, was made on 4/27. So that means for 4/25 all the way to 4/26, the balance was the beginning balance or previous balance of $2,567.23. Now, on 4/27, I made a purchase for $94 or for $42.32. So what this did is it changed my balance, and that balance is going to last until 4/29, the day before I made another purchase. So I add the $42.23 to that balance, giving me a new balance of $2,609.55. Now, that accounts, the first one from the 4/25 to 4/26, that accounts for 2 days. 4/27, 4/28, 4/29, that's 3 days. Then on 4/30, go back to your statement here. On 4/30, you make another purchase. So on 4/30, you make a purchase, and that is going to extend your balance all the way until May 2nd before your next purchase. So that's going to be May 2nd. And since there are only 30 days in April, that accounts for 3 days. And to this, I'm going to add my new purchase of $94.45. So my new balance here is going to be $2,704. Now I'm going to continue this. On 5/3 I made a purchase, and so that was for 2 days. I made a purchase of oops, I skipped one, sorry. I made a purchase on 5/3 of 78. So then I'm going to add that 78.12. That's going to give me a new balance of $27.82.12. 82.12. And then on 5/5, I made another purchase, you'll notice. And on 5/5, on 5/19, I made okay, so another purchase was made on 5/5. So that is going to add another $140.78, giving you a new balance of $2,922.90. That balance is going to last until 5/18, because on the 19th I make a payment. So that actually accounts for 14 days. And then on 5/19 I make a payment. So since I'm making a payment, that means I'm going to subtract that from my balance, giving me $26.22.90. And then right away the next day I make another purchase. So that's just for 1 day. And then on 5/20 I make a purchase. So that means I've got to add the $21.84. So starting on the 20th, I have a new balance of $2,644.74, which lasts until May 22nd. So, or I'm sorry, 23rd. Going back over here, the 24th, I get another credit. So this is 4 days. And then on the 24th, I get a credit, so I subtract that amount for my balance, and that credit brings my balance to $25,508.93. Now this holds for 1 day, because the ending day on my period is the 24th. So I'm starting at 4/25 and I'm going to 5/24. Now, to calculate the average daily balance, which is what you're being asked to do, you have to take the number of days and the balance for that time. So for 2 days, my balance was $25.67.23. Plus, for 3 days, my balance was $2,006.55. And you do all of this continuously all the way to the last day, where I have 1 day at $2,558.93. You take this whole amount and divide it by 30. And this gives you your average daily balance, which is 2777.36. So this is my average daily balance. To figure out the daily periodic rate, that is, you look down on your statement here and you see your APR. I'm going to erase everything else that I've circled down. Oops. Erase everything else down here. What I'm looking at to figure out my daily percentage rate is I want to go down here where it says my APR, which is $21.99. So I just take that $21.99 and divide it by 365. And when you do that, you want to take all the decimals. So this is going to give me 0.06025%. And that is the rate in terms of percent. Let me pause this, clear my board over here, and I'm going to show you how to find your new balance. All right, to find my new balance, I first need to calculate what my finance charges are. The way I calculate my finance charges, I take my average daily balance, which is $2,777.36. So that's my average daily balance. And I multiply that by the average daily rate. Now don't forget to move that decimal over 2 places. So it's 0.06025 times the number of days in the period, which is 30 days. Okay, so I multiply all of that together, 0.0006025 times 30, and just so we're clear on this, this is your average daily balance times your DPR times your number of days in this clearing cycle. So your finance charges for this particular problem turn out to be $50.20. So to find my new balance, I take my previous balance and I add my finance charges, I add any debt that I've accumulated, and I subtract out any credits that I have. So in this case, my previous balance was $25.67.23. I add my finance charge of $50.20. I add the debt, which is all of these values here together. So I have a debt of $377.51. And then I subtract the credits. Those are these two values together. So that's $385.81. And that gives me the new balance. And my new balance is going to be $2,609.13. So that's going to be my new balance. $2,609.13. Now to figure out my minimum payment, for my minimum payment, I need to take my new balance and I need to multiply it by whatever percentage they give me. In this case, it's 1.9%. So $2,609.13 times 0.019 is equal to $49.57, which is the minimum payment that I'll have to make on this particular credit card. Okay, I hope this is helpful. Feel free to look at it. Feel free to come ask me any questions you may have on it, and I'm sure you're going to do great tomorrow. I will send you the whole scanned copy of this practice worksheet. All right, see you later.